Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm opening another Revive Essential Oils haul. Revive is just, I don't know, it might be taking first place in my heart with essential oils. They have everything that you need, like your other products too, like deodorant, cleaning products, bath and body, the essential oils, of course, just different products like carriers. They have it all. It's kind of like a one-stop shop. Plus they have the best prices and really like thorough on their website listed testing and quality control and that type of thing. So I'm going to do a video and blog post and Instagram, all of the things on the top essential oil companies of 2024, which seems crazy, 2024. But it's time to do a new video. And so I think Revive might be at the top of that list, but stay tuned. This is just another order. I try to do monthly orders just to try their new things to share with you. So I will save like the oils for last. I got a bunch of different things. So like I said, they have cleaning supplies. They have the dupe for thieves. This is the Revive Immunity Boost Sink and Bath Scrub. So it's kind of like a soft scrub, sans all of the chemicals and nasty things that is in the actual soft scrub from like the store. So let's see if this smells good. Open it. So you just sprinkle this on your kitchen sink. That's mainly what I got it for. It's what I use these most for, but on your tub, bathtub, shower. Oh, it smells good. It smells like thieves. It smells like cinnamon, citrusy. What are the oils in it? So clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, rosemary. So it smells just like thieves. And then I got a couple of stocking stuffers for Chris. I got 2 deodorants. I haven't used their deodorants yet. And one is Spruce and Camphor, and one is Fantastic, which is an essential oil blend that has wild orange, grapefruit, lavender, Roman chamomile, and magnolia, which I love citrus and floral. So I think I'm going to love this one. They also have the essential oil in this Fantastic blend too. So you can just get the regular oil blend so you can diffuse and make different products with. If I can get this open. Okay. Oh, it smells very good. It smells like something you could eat. It's super sweet and citrusy. Fresh, exactly what I want my armpits to smell like. And then this one, Spruce and Camphor, I got for Chris. This one has black spruce, which is his favorite essential oil. Besides, what's the other one? Blue. There are 2 different like tree oils that he loves. Blue tansy, which is my favorite essential oil. Camphor, frankincense, and geranium. I guess I'll open this one and smell it too, just to show you. But I'm putting this in his stocking, and then I got him a couple of essential oils because I don't know if I just never noticed before or if it's new. I probably just didn't notice, but they have Shutron dupe. Why wouldn't they? They have all of the other good dupes, Progestins Plus, but I just never saw that, so I got that for him because he just ran out. Shutron, which is the Young Living like men's cologne, hormone support essential oil. Okay, whew. This is very light, but it smells really good. I feel like you might get more of the scent after you put it on, but it's just enough like fresh and tree to be light and like fresh, like a good smelling deodorant. I'll keep you updated though on how they work. I am not super picky with my natural deodorants. I feel like I've been using them now for long enough at this point where really most of them work for me. Ooh, I did just use one that didn't. Oh, no, I can't think of the brand, but it was super chalky, and so when you put it on, it felt like a paste, and I was not a fan of that. But anyways, most natural deodorants work for me. This one does look like it's kind of, I don't know, see if you can get a look. I like when they go on smooth. Yeah, this one feels like a coconut oil when it goes on. Like some of them have so much baking powder or baking soda that it feels really bad. Oh, and this smells super good. It's no synthetic fragrances and aluminum free. Aluminum is what you want to watch out for. Then I got this like trio, but they're sold individually as well. These are just different gummies and supplements. So although I did just start doing keto just for like a short period of time to see if it makes a difference, and these are kind of high in carbs. So anyways, I got vitamin D gummy supplement, supports immune and bone health. I got elderberry gummies. We take elderberry regularly, all of us. And let's see. Oh, they're not super high in carbs. Anyways, this one is also good for immune support. There are studies done on elderberry and how it helps sickness not be as bad and not last as long. So we are always taking elderberry all year round. And then I also take ACV, apple cider vinegar, daily, just to support a bunch of different things also. And let's check the carbs on this just because I'm curious. So 5 per 2 gummies. So maybe I could take like 1. But anyways, this one supports a bunch of different things like detox, cleansing. Apple cider vinegar is amazing for so many things. And I was excited, like, see, it's a one-stop shop. They have everything that you need. Right. First one is Creed, and now I have to look them up to see what this was a dupe or something. 1 minute. So Creed is a Revive version of Shutron. So I will open it and smell it, even though I'm putting this in his stocking, just to give you like a first like initial smell test to see if it smells like Shutron. And if you're unfamiliar with Shutron, it's very like woodsy and citrusy, pretty sweet. This smells really good. It smells just like Shutron. Oh, that smells good. So it's spruce, ylang, hinoki, octa tea, lavender, coriander, cedarwood, divana, black spruce, lemon, and spruce essential oils. It smells super good. And then I got Mister. It's just MR period. And this is the Young Living version of Mister, MISTER. And this is also just like a hormone support oil, I think, in that way. If I look up and get more details, I'll put it right here, but I don't want to say something that's not correct. Ooh, that does not smell good at all. Sesame, sage, fennel, lavender, myrtle, peppermint, and yarrow. A rose essential oil pre-diluted roller. I do not have rose essential oil, and so I just wanted to get a roller just so I could smell it. I think I have the plant therapy one too, but this one was on sale, so I got this one. Let's see how it smells. Has a very interesting, that doesn't come off. Oh, it smells good. I don't think that comes off. This is a weird like looking roller top. I think it's one of the leak proof ones maybe. It smells good. It smells so good. It's like a perfume. I used to work at Ulta, and I loved all of the rose smelling ones, but Chloe was a perfume that I put on so much, and this kind of reminds me of it. It's not as strong and potent up in your nose, obviously, but it smells really good. It's not as sweet as rose as I thought rose would be, but it does smell good. And I got 2 more, Merry and Bright, which is a Christmas blend. Obviously, this one is bergamot, Virginia cedarwood, grapefruit, and copaiba. See what it smells like. Ooh, that is Merry and Bright. That smells really light, resiny, but also like sweet. This smells really good. It's like a good one that you could diffuse and not be like overbearing. English chamomile is next, and because I don't have it, that's why I bought it. I just like gotta try them all. I have the other 2. I have Roman and German chamomile, and I think, let me look at this one also. So English. So on the website, in parentheses, it says Roman chamomile next to it. So English and Roman maybe are the same one. Let me see. I have a Roman chamomile somewhere. Okay, this is my Roman chamomile from Plant Therapy. And this one is, let's see what the actual Latin name is. So Anthemis nobilis. And this one is Anthemis nobilis. So this tricked me kind of, but I'm still glad that I got it. This is the same as Roman. So English and Roman chamomile are the same thing as far as it being from Revive, at least. Let's see if they smell the same. So good. Roman chamomile is good for nervous, like flighty thoughts, being down in the dumps, and so rolling it on really has a positive effect on your mood in that way. It smells exactly the same. It's so sweet, but also like grounding, super uplifting. Ooh, I'm getting like, hold on. Taking a deep whiff, you get like the different layers of it, but it does smell so good. And this, so Roman or English chamomile has a little bit of chamazoline, which is what is in blue tansy that makes it blue. It's one of my favorite constituents just because blue tansy is my favorite and I love it. So interesting, but it stains clothes. So make sure you don't just roll this chamomile on like your clothes when you have something light colored on. I'm really happy with my order. I'm glad I got that one. I'm really glad I got rose. This is going to be like my perfume roller for a while. I'll let you know how it goes with using this deodorant. Ooh, I just saw this winter baking oil on the website. I totally got distracted. I have to look this one up. So it's copaiba, octa tea, German chamomile, fenugreek, tonka extract, sweet wormwood, coffee, vanilla, and cassia. And that's a winter baking. I'll link everything down below. But let me know what you're excited to try. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm glad that all of you guys love Revive as much as I do. Like I said, it might be moving its way up to #1 on my 2024 essential oil brand video. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.